Now, you know, I partnered with Summit Racing on the Randit 77 Trans Am street cruiser build that we got going out in California with Nate. Well, look what else I got going. The orange M3 here at Lanier Tech, who are also good friends with Summit Racing, my buddies. And John Leverett here, Program Director of the Motorsports at Lanier Tech, has been helping out on that M3. I call it the M-Free because it was wrecked and a friend of mine just gave it to me. He said it was too much trouble. I said, I'm hooking the trailer. And after a couple of years, it's got bodywork. It's had a whole lot of great work done to it. We've had a partnership with Bimmerworld, and it's got Bimmerworld.com parts from end to end. And we're almost ready to race this car. Thank you, John.
Hopefully in the next couple of weeks.
Great. Keep your eye on the channel. Here it comes.